Good afternoon, everybody. It is going on 2:30, and we are going to take a look at what's going on around the nation. So we've got some of these will start tomorrow, but most of these guys are going on right now. But we do have heat advisories in Seattle and Portland, probably starting tomorrow. Boise and Salt Lake City, heat advisories from Bismarck all the way to, looks like Oklahoma City, Kansas, St. Louis, down to New Orleans. You guys are in that heat advisory. We do have a red flag warning in and around Mobridge in South Dakota. This is where I think is going to start tomorrow and go into, looks like the 21st, which is Tuesday. We will have the extreme heat warning right in and around Little Rock, going into Forest City, Clarksdale, Cleveland, and Greenville and Greenwood in Mississippi. So that is your look as far as your heat. We do have some thunderstorms all over the place, anywhere from North Carolina, Virginia Beach area to Knoxville, Nashville, going into Alabama, all the way to Birmingham and Montgomery. And it looks like we got some right here in Kentucky around Somerset, Bowling Green, Shelbyville in Tennessee, all the way through the St. Louis, Mount Vernon area and Columbia, Missouri. So we do have a lot of thunderstorms that are popping up this afternoon, and we do have some right up here, look like in South Dakota, in and around Watertown. But that is it as far as that. We do have some in and around, looks like Utah, looks like Price, Richfield, but they're just scattered everywhere in around Albuquerque and going into Silver City. You can see around Show Low. We have these storms all over the place, and that's expected because we are in that general thunder area for today. Other than that, guys, we are going to go ahead and take a look at our current temperatures right now, and it's warm. We got a few clouds, temperatures at 93, feels like 106, the winds at 2 miles per hour, and humidity is at 60%. As far as that, guys, tomorrow we may have a few clouds. It's not showing any rain as far as the HRRR, but we are in that general thunder area. So it looks like it's going to be sunny, it's going to be hot, and you can see right here with the HRRR, maybe early around Festus we might have some little bitty showers, but this is the current HRRR. Actually, it's probably the 12Z run, but I'll give you an update tomorrow morning because this may change a little bit. As far as that, guys, our temps, we're looking at, let me get it up here, looking like 93 in Redbud, 92 in Sparta, and then we get up here to around St. Genevieve, 98, 95 in Chester. So real feel, guys, we're talking 103, 104 up in New Athens, St. Genevieve, 107. They may get up to 108. Chester around 105. Steelville around 104, Sparta 103. So it's going to be warm tomorrow with our lows around 76 to 77, maybe 78 up here in Prairie du Rocher. As far as that, guys, our outlooks. Like I said, we will be in that general thunder from St. Louis down to Cape Girardeau, include Randolph County, but anywhere from Boise to El Paso, Texas, anything in this green, Nevada, most of Arizona, and then St. Louis all the way down to New Orleans, Atlanta, looks like West Virginia, all the way down to Florida. You guys will be in that general thunder. It looks like we do have a marginal risk in around Virginia Beach and Charlotte, North Carolina, maybe a little bit of the northern part of South Carolina. You guys will be in that marginal risk. Guys, this is going to be the one to watch tomorrow if you're going up north. The further you go, the worse it gets. So we are talking anywhere from International Falls to Sioux Falls, looks like around Omaha, Springfield, Illinois, Lafayette, Fort Wayne, and Detroit. You guys will be in that marginal risk for severe weather. Like I said, we are in the general thunder area. Anywhere from Duluth, and I'll get in here to Storm Lake, Sioux City, Davenport, Peoria, Chicago, looks like Grand Rapids, and Rogers City up here in Michigan. You guys are looking at a slight risk for severe weather, and our enhanced risk is going to be around Marquette, looks like in Michigan, Wausau, Appleton, and Wisconsin, Milwaukee, going into Iowa to about Waterloo, Iowa Falls, Fort Dodge, and Cedar Rapids. As far as that, guys, we've got a lot of Sig 1 in your tornado, wind, and hail, but we'll get to that here in a second. So we're talking anywhere from Thunder Bay to Hibbing, Duluth, all the way to Storm Lake in Iowa, Davenport, Chicago, Traverse City, Rogers City. You guys will be in at 2% as far as your tornado risk, and it looks like anywhere from Marquette to Rochester, going into around Waterloo, Mason City, Cedar Rapids, you guys will be in that 5% Marinette for tomorrow. This is the Sig 1, guys. We are talking anywhere, you can have up to an EF2 plus tornado from Iron River to Decorah. It looks like Reedsburg, La Crosse. All you guys in this hash mark area, you guys will be in that Sig 1 as far as tornado. Your wind risk, that's going to be another one. Anywhere from International Falls, it looks like, to O'Neill in Nebraska, all the way to Omaha, Springfield, Illinois. It looks like Fort Wayne and Detroit. You guys will be in that 5%. We get at 15%. It looks like from Traverse City, Rogers City, Grand Rapids, Peoria, Des Moines, Sioux City, all the way up to Duluth. You guys, anything in this yellow, you guys will be in at 15% as far as your wind risk. Anything in the red, you're at 30%. It looks like Marquette, Wausau, Appleton, Dibque, and it looks like maybe Cedar Rapids, Waterloo area, Fort Dodge. You guys are being at 30% as far as your wind risk. Anywhere in this hashed mark area, you can have 74 plus mile-an-hour winds, and that's from Marquette all the way down to Des Moines and Storm Lake. So guys, be careful if you're out there. If you got anything, tie it down. As far as your hail, again, for anywhere from International Falls, looks like to O'Neill, Nebraska, all the way through Omaha. Looks like Chicago. Maybe looks like Kewanee, Galesburg area, guys. You guys will be in that 5% as far as your hail risk. Anything in this right here, you'll be in the 15% in this yellow from Marquette, Duluth, all the way to Des Moines. It looks like Dibque, Milwaukee, Appleton. Anything in this hash mark area, guys, you can have up to 2-inch hail, and that will include Wausau, Marquette, looks like Marinette, Madison, Cedar Rapids, Fort Dodge area, Mason City, Red Wing. All you guys will be in that Sig 1 as far as your hail. If anything changes, I will get with you tomorrow morning. You guys have a good rest of your Sunday.